Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're a Toyota Tundra owner and have been staring at that annoying tire pressure warning light, this video is for you. Today, we'll show you an easy way to reset the TPMS light in just a few minutes. So, grab your keys and let's get started. This section explains how to reset the tire pressure light and keep your old Tundra running smoothly. So just follow me along. Step 1. Adjust the cold tire pressure in all 4 tires recommended on the tire placard. Step 2. Turn the ignition key to the on position without starting the engine. Step 3. Find the tire reset button under the steering wheel. Press the button until the tire pressure indicator blinks slowly 3 times. After that, you'll wait several minutes for the system to record each tire's pressure, and you're done. Now, if you have a newer model, you have to enter the System menu to reset the tire pressure light. So follow these steps to do it. Step 1. Adjust the cold tire pressure in all 4 tires recommended on the tire placard. Step 2. Turn on your car. Step 3. Use the navigation button and go to the Gear tab menu. Step 4. Scroll down to find the Vehicle Settings menu and then press the OK button. Step 5. Scroll down and select TPWS. Step 6. Highlight the Setting Pressure menu and then hold down the OK button until the resetting is complete and you're done. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car maintenance tips. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or video requests. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.